Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Clover app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Clover app, or just click here on search, then here at Clover app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.